You moved out. You cleaned everything. You did it all right. And your landlord just kept your deposit anyway. No explanation. No itemized list. Just silence. That money is yours. And today, I'm showing you exactly how to get it back. Here's what you'll know by the end of this video. The deadline your landlord already missed. What counts as damage versus normal wear. How to write a demand letter that works. And how small claims court can get you double or triple back. This is your legal edge. Landlords get away with this for one reason. They're betting you won't fight back. They think you don't know the rules. They think the money isn't worth your time. They're wrong. Here's the first thing you need to know. Your landlord has a deadline. In most states, they have 14 to 30 days after you move out. Some states give them 60. But here's the key. They can't just keep it and stay quiet. They must send you an itemized list. That means a written breakdown of every single deduction. If they miss that deadline, you may already have won. Now let's talk about what they can actually deduct. They can charge for damage. They cannot charge for normal wear and tear. What's the difference? Holes punched in walls? That's damage. Faded paint after 3 years? That's normal wear. Broken window? Damage. Worn carpet from walking on it? Normal wear. If they're charging you for normal wear, that deduction is illegal. Step 1. Document everything. Go back to your move-in photos. Find your move-out photos. If you don't have photos, write down everything you remember. Dates matter, details matter. This is your evidence. Step 2. Send a demand letter. This is a written letter that says, I want my deposit back. Here's why I'm owed it, and here's the deadline to pay me. Send it by certified mail. That means you get proof they received it. Keep a copy for yourself. This letter does 2 things. It shows you're serious, and it creates a paper trail for court. Here's what to write. State the amount they owe you. State the date you moved out. State that they failed to provide an itemized list, or that their deductions were improper. Give them 15 days to respond. Keep it simple. Keep it factual. Step 3. If they ignore you, file in small claims court. This sounds scary. It's not. Small claims court is designed for regular people. No lawyer needed. Filing fees are usually $30 to $75. And here's the best part. In many states, if your landlord broke the deposit rules, you can get penalty damages. That means double your deposit. Sometimes, triple. Some states add on your court costs and attorney fees too. The law punishes landlords who ignore the rules. Let me give you the exact words to use in your demand letter. Quote, pursuant to state law, you were required to return my security deposit or provide an itemized statement within the statutory deadline. You have failed to do so. I am demanding return of the full deposit amount within 14 days. Failure to comply will result in legal action. End quote. One more thing. Check your state's specific laws. Search your state name plus security deposit statute. Every state is different. Some require interest on deposits. Some have specific forms. Know your state's rules. Your landlord is counting on you giving up. Don't. That money is yours. The law is on your side. Use it. This is not legal advice, but it is legal knowledge. And knowledge is power. Subscribe, because knowing your rights starts here.